Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by validating the essentials, hardware capacity, and baseline metrics. Check CPU, RAM, storage I/O, and network jitter so you know what to fix. Once done, capture latency and frame drop numbers to track improvements. Make sure drivers and firmware are current, update GPU and NIC drivers, and set power mode to high performance. You will also terminate or throttle background processes that steal cycles. This prevents misleading symptoms and gives you a clean test bed to apply the next steps. Once the baseline is clear, you tune the system across rendering, networking, and threading. Lower render scale and cap FPS to reduce GPU load. Reduce physics tick rate to free CPU time. For networking, prefer UDP, shrink packet payloads, and enable co-S rules to prioritize CPM ports. Profile the application to reveal thread contention, GPU memory thrash, or storage I/O stalls. Isolate the slowest subsystem and iterate. Make targeted changes, then remeasure. This tight feedback loop is how you find the optimal balance. You finish by making successful changes permanent and adding safeguards. Write tuned values into config files, enforce service limits, and schedule maintenance for heavy updates. Implement auto-scaling or horizontal instances and use connection pooling to avoid bursts. This prevents lag under load. If problems persist, roll back recent changes as a quick test, then analyze logs and metrics for anomalies. Finally, run controlled A/B load tests so you confirm fixes under realistic conditions and know exactly what to revert if things go wrong.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.